Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can set up Pickeasy to set up pickup date and time. So first off, you'll have to be starting from your Shopify dashboard such as this, right? And we'll want to go to the search bar on top here and we want to type in Pickeasy. Now you'll see that the app immediately comes up here, but you can also search Pickeasy in the Shopify App Store if you want, if it doesn't appear on the suggestion bar up top. But this is the one we want, the pickup delivery date, Pickeasy, right? Just click on it, and then you can click on install here. Now wait for it to load. Now from here, you'll see that it'll prompt you to install the app. You can see that they can view your personal data and they can also view and edit stored data as well. You can read through this if you'd like. This is pretty standard for any Shopify app. But once there, just click on install here. Wait for it to load. Now you'll see that once it's installed, you'll be presented with a dashboard such as this. Now you'll see that the first one, it'll say enable the app to get started. So let's enable the app. Let's click on go to settings. And on go to settings, you'll see that you'll have to start with a plan, right? There'll be freemium, starter, smart, or premium. Let's do freemium. But as you can see, when you first pick a plan, you will have to add a credit card or a debit card or PayPal to even continue, right? And I won't be doing this because I don't have any either of these. I'm just going to click on cancel and I'm going to show you what the other settings of the Pickeasy one here. So on Pickeasy here, you'll see I'm going to click on open app and there'll be a couple of things that you'll see in the dashboard here. So of course, enable Pickeasy in your theme editor. This is what we actually need to do. But as you saw earlier, you'll have to add in a credit card or a PayPal first to actually enable the app. So I'm going to skip over that. Now there's a couple of things here, like there's a free setup assistance you can set up with their agent. Like you can schedule a Zoom meeting for help with the complete app setup, styling, positioning, cart toward integration, or any other queries, right? You can set that up if you'd like. This is also the menu here that you can see. There's a couple of other things as well on the settings here, like there's the orders, for example, here, but of course it's locked behind this yearly ban. There's also settings here. This is the general setup you can see there, but of course it'll still be locked behind this. Let's try rates. And of course it's still locked behind this. So besides the dashboard from earlier, I can only show you up to here. So of course you'll have to pick one of these plans. The freemium one is like it's free up to 20 orders per month, but then it's $9.99 if you do 20 plus orders per month. So it'll just go up to here, which is the starter one. And if you want to pick, you can pick whichever one you'd like here to get you started, and it'll probably come with a free Zoom meeting as well to help you get started. But you can see activate this plan, and then in here you just have to enter in your credit card details, or you can just connect your PayPal as well.